Hello everyone, this is Prashant to the channel. Today we are going to see one of best patterns for coding rounds. Okay, so leave the like even there's this problem more than a problem. We focus on the what pattern I'm using. This if you know this pattern properly, most of the coding interview questions for SDETs you will clear easily. Okay, so what is that pattern is like two-pointer approach. So first of all, there are so many places we can use the two-pointer approach. Okay, so I will tell you what are the places mainly. So first is when you are finding a pair of sum problems. Okay, removing duplicates wherever they asking remove duplicates, finding the closest value, even the checking the palindrome, two sum problems, most the zero, longest substring. So there is wherever that if you are facing two loops or you want to compare one corner another corner all together, generally brute force makes n square. It is very bad time consuming. So that if you want to reduce the two loops nested loops into single loop means two-point approach is the best approach, because if you know two-point approach you have a 60 to 70% of confidence in any interview, at least skeleton. Today I am to focus on the skeleton and the code. Okay, the first thing is today is the problem is containers most water. So they ever give a height. Okay, they have multiple heights of wall. So you want to find the best tank to store the more water. Okay, that is the question. Okay, so as some people thinks I have 8 and 8, that is the two walls. No, we want when we moving the walls that width also important. Okay, so this is answers for now, but I will see how it's going to be coming 59. So I'm going to create a main method and I'm going to create a one single dimension array equal to height. So I'm copying this input and storing that array value. Okay, I didn't do anything, creating simple array, and I'm going to create a method. Okay, now see public static. I'm going to give the maximum integer max tank. Let's take a max tank, and the input we are passing is the height, as you know. Okay, as usual, I always do return as return 0. Okay, so two-pointer approach is what? Two-pointer approach is two things. One is left, the first position. One is right, the last position. Okay, so int left equal to 0 because this is the 0th index. So int right, we cannot hard code the right because right is based upon the input of value. So height dot length -1. So if you do -1, obviously you get the n-1, which supports for all the types of length of array. Okay, and I need the max value, right? Max equal to 0. Initially we put the max 0. So finally we are going to return the max only. Okay, this is a max value. Okay, so if you have a two-pointer approach, don't think like a for loops. Keep this reminder, put a note. If you have a two-pointer approach, the only loop is mind is while loop. Don't think for loop. Some people suddenly go to the for loop. Looping means for loop. No, for two-pointer approach, you might want to come for while loop. So in the while loop, simple step as usual for all the pointers left less than right. Okay, left always should be less than right. If it is not less, you just come out of the loop. And in first, I want to find the height. So how to find the minimal height compared to this? I'm using a math function min height of left, comparing height of left and height of right, which is the smallest. I'm taking that as my current height, and I need a width. So how to find my width? Wherever my left position, right position. So right minus left. Okay, I'm taking my current position. And now I need the area. Int area equal to height, simple, into width. Only 3 lines of logic. This entire code is 3 lines. Remaining is a skeleton. Whatever you using two-pointer approach, this is skeleton. You want to have this. Okay, this is the logic for this code. This is the only logic. And another skeleton is if the height of, before that you want to find the max equal to math dot max. What are the things? First is my current max into the new area which I find on previous line. So I'm comparing this and this, which is the highest, it stores in the math. So I am comparing the left, if left is less than left of height of right, that means what? I want to, whenever who is the less, I want to, if left is less means I want to increase the left position, else here not increasing, I want to decrease the right position. Okay, when height is right is less means decrease, left is less means increase, because your left is here, right is here. So you want to increase, right should be decrease. That's it. You want to return the thing. So I'm going to, in the main method, what is the method name? Max length. I'm going to write a sys out max tank. I'm going to pass the height. I'm going to run this main method. See, the value is 49. So again I'm showing this thing. This is a skeleton. This is a skeleton. The only logic for this one is this one, like finding the tank. So generally you keep this is the wall, one like 1 feet, 8 feet, 6 feet, 2 feet. This, the number of things is width. Width means, suppose I'm taking this and this one means what is the width? 1, 7. So what is the right position? Right position is 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 0, 8. In this, what is the min and value? 1 is the min value. 1 into 8 is 8. So current value is 0. So 0 of max is 8 is 8. Next, right now which is the left? Left is less. So left will move to 8. See, it moved to 8. So, but right didn't move. Still the right is same. Right now I am taking which is a less? Less is 7. Comparing 8 and 7, 7 is a less. Next, what is the right position? Right position still hold the same. 7 minus left. What is the left position? Left position is 1. So 7 minus 1, 6. 6. So it takes it 6 into the current value is less is 7. So as usual take the 42 and check this. Previously I have a something 7 or 8 compared to with 42. This 40 this y is make the 42. So next, now it will decrease. Why? Compared to 8 and 7, 7 is smaller, right minus minus. So it will come to this position. So now 8 and 3. Again this is, which position will go? It go to this position. Why? Because this is smaller, so it move to this position. Okay, so this is the way it keep on goes and it identify which is the smallest, highest capacity to hold the maximum number of waters. Okay, I hope I cleared this more than this problem, the 2-point approach, because so many people have asked me which is the basic question I want to have a proper knowledge is 2-point approach. Okay, that is the best approach for most of the topics which I shared. So wherever this question is comes up, just think the best approach is not a brute force, nested loop. Only best approach is 2-point approach because it's always n by 2. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like and share to your friends. Put me a hype or like my video. Thanks for watching.